Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have t plus 4 and its whole exponent is 4 is equals to t to the power of 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here we need to find all the four roots of this equation. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we rewrite this equation as in this form. This is t to the power of 4. We move this t to the power of 4 into the left hand side, and it will be written as t plus 4 and its whole power 4 minus t to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further again we write this into this form. So this is t to the power of 4, and we write it as t plus 4 and its whole square and its whole square minus we write this t to the power of 4 as t square and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula we write the above equation as in this form. So here the first factor is a minus b. Here our a is t plus 4 and its whole square minus the value of b is t square into the second factor is a plus b. So the value of a is t plus 4 whole square and plus the value of b is t square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t plus 4 whole square minus t square is equals to 0, and the second case is we write t plus 4 whole square plus t square, and this is equals to 0. So here you see that this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Here we need to solve both of these two equations to get all the four roots of this equation. Now, so first we focus on equation number 1, and equation number 1 is implies that. So in equation number 1 we again you apply here this nice algebraic formula. So according to this formula our equation number 1 is written as, our first factor is a minus b. Here we have the value of a is t plus 4 minus the value of b is t into again the value of a is t plus 4 and plus the value of b is t, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further you see here this is minus t and this is plus t are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 4 times of this is t plus t becomes 2t plus 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the values of t. So for this we need to remove this 4 from here so that we divide both of the sides by 4 on each of these terms. When we divide by 4 it will be written as in this form. So this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we obtain here 2t plus 4 is equals to, this is 0 divided by 4 is equals to 0. And here we move this plus 4 to the right hand side, and we get here 2t is equals to minus 4. And because here our target is to find the values of t, so that we remove this 2 from here, so that's why we again divide both of the sides by 2, and it will becomes here 2t divided by 2 is equals to minus 4 divided by 2. So this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we obtain here t is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here minus 2. So you see here in the first equation we get only one value of t, and that is equals to minus 2. And now here we need to focus on equation number 2, so that equation number 2 is copied down here. It is t plus 4 whole square plus t square is equals to 0. So this is the our equation number 2. And here we need to find the other roots from this equation, so that here we move this plus t square to the right hand side, and it will be written as t plus 4 whole square is equals to minus t square. So here we remove the square sign from both of the sides. So for this we will apply here square root on both of the sides, so that when we apply square root it will be written as in this form. And further you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other. So in the left hand side we will get t plus 4 is equals to, in the right hand side we apply this square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as a square root of t square into square root of minus 1. And further we apply the square root on both of the sides, so that's why we will write here a plus minus sign on any one of the side. So here we rewrite this equation as this is t plus 4 is equals to plus minus these two and square root are gone, and we get here t into this is square root of minus 1, and we know about that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So here we need to break this equation into the two cases for the values of t. So here in this side we will be right here the positive right hand side, it is a positive t iota, and here in this side we will be right here the negative right hand side, and it is minus t iota. So here for the values of t we need to move the variable terms in the left hand side and the constant terms to the right hand side, so that we here we just move this plus 4 to the right hand side and we move t iota to the left hand side, so it will be written as t minus t times of iota is equals to minus 4. So here we need to take common t from here, and when we take common t we get the remaining values are 1 minus iota is equals to minus 4. So for the values of t we move 1 minus iota to the right hand side, and we get the value of t is equals to minus 4 divided by 1 minus iota. So this is the second value of t, that is the complex value. So here in the same pattern we need to simplify these terms, so again we move the variable terms into the left hand side, so this is the negative term becomes a positive t iota, this is plus 4 becomes minus 4, and here again we take common t from here and we get the remaining values are 1 plus iota, and this whole equation is equals to minus 4. So here again we move 1 plus iota to the right hand side, and it will becomes here minus 4 divided by 1 plus iota. So this is the other complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, so that the solution set of this problem is equals to minus 2. This is the first real root, and the other two roots are complex roots. So these roots are minus 4 divided by 1 minus iota, and minus 4 divided by 1 plus iota. So these are the total three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.